Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let us eat. I'm Luke.
And I'm Destiny.
And today we did cake pops. Well, cake pops. Alright, hope you guys enjoy. Well, you know, I swear that goes flying. So yes, we make cake pops. Well, a easy homemade for your little apple. Yes, they are a little flat on the top, but that's okay. All right.
I think that they're good attempts.
Yes, I think so.
For the first try.
Definitely will look into trying this better.
Next time.
I won't leave in the middle of it.
Yeah.
All right. Let's try these bad boys.
Sure. Like,
Mm-hmm. Okay, this one's so much better with the white chocolate.
oh, the cookie dough?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Good enough.
We ate that one off camera.
There's too much chocolate on it.
Mm-hmm.
Or with that too. Probably shouldn't put chocolate chips in it because it's just too much chocolate.
Too much. You guys know that these are all vegan, with everything vegan. Not on my carpet.
No.
I need to.
This is too much sugar. And it's melting on me. I'm melting.
Oh my gosh. This is definitely way better with the white chocolate on it than the chocolate. So I definitely think we needed to dip these in white chocolate. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below if you guys want us to try something different. Or if you guys made this at home, we want to know. Alright, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bells on, and like this video. Give it a big thumbs up.
And we'll see you guys next video here on
Let us eat! Bye!
Toodles.